Yeah, so good evening all. So once again, welcome to Aifer Education. So today we'll be discussing, questions from the latest exam. Okay, we'll be discussing the question from today's exam. Okay, June 27, 2025. So I will be just giving an idea regarding what are the important questions that has been asked in today's one. So you can see on the screen, I will be just reading for a fast, just for a quick revision from your side. When it comes to teaching aptitude, okay, in teaching aptitude, we have question from Bloom's taxonomy, we have question from evaluation system, we have question from learning theories, we have question from learning process. Okay, so these are the four topics from which we have question. From the topic Bloom's taxonomy, we have question both morning as well as afternoon shift. Okay, so we have Bloom's taxonomy, evaluation system, learning theories, learning process. In teaching aptitude, when it comes to research aptitude, we have research ethics, historical research, coefficients, different coefficients like Pearson coefficient related to what we can say research, and then we have MLS style. Okay, then we have MLS style. Then moving to the communication aspect. Okay, when it comes to communication, we have the communication channels, elements of communication, barriers of communication, models of communication, and movie related questions further. Okay, as similar to yesterday, there were movie related questions today also. So we have communication channels, elements of communication, barriers of communication, models of communication, and movie related aspects. Then when it comes to logical equivalency, okay, when it comes to logical reasoning, we have question from logical equivalency, we have question from fallacies, we have question from categorical proposition, we have question from Indian logic and square of opposition. Okay, so when it comes to logical reasoning, we have question from logical equivalency, fallacies, categorical proposition, Indian logic, and square of opposition. Then coming to mathematical reasoning, okay, in mathematical reasoning, we have fractions, compound interest. Okay, we have fractions, compound interest, number series, coding and decoding, speed and time. Okay, so we have question from fractions, compound interest, number series, coding and decoding, speed and time. Okay, then when it comes to ICT, okay, information communication technology, we have a question from operating systems, we have question based on CD-ROM, we have question based on human memory, we have question based on math the following, we have question based on firewall. So these are the important topics from which we have questions in today's exam from ICT. So we have operating system related question, we have CD-ROM based question, we have human memory based question, we have the math the following related to computer, and then there were question regarding related to what we can say firewall also. Okay, there were question related to firewall also. Then moving to people development and environment. Okay, so then when it comes to people development and environment, we have a question based on MDG and SDG, Millennium Development Goals and Sustainable Development Goals. Then there were question based on convention, different convention protocols. Then we have question based on ecosystem. Then we have question based on Paris Agreement. Then we have question based on acid rain. Okay, so when it comes to PD, people development and environment, we have MDG and SDG related question. We have convention and protocol related question. We have ecosystem based question. Then we have Paris Agreement related question. And then we have what we can say acid rain related question. Okay, we have acid rain related question. And moving to the higher education, the last one, we have a chronology of different commissions, especially the post-independent commission. Okay, there were questions regarding the chronology of the commission. There were questions regarding different institutions and the location. Then we have a question regarding institutional chronology based on the establishment. Okay, there were questions regarding institution chronology based on the establishment. Then we have regarding NEP 2020, New Education Policy. Then there is a question from Rigveda also. Okay, Rigveda also. So these are the important questions when it comes to what we can say higher education. Okay, so I will be just revising all the questions. So from the higher education, important questions are like commissions, chronology. Then we have different institutions and location. Then we have New Education Policy 2020. Then we have Rigveda based questions are there. Okay, then we have when people development and environment, we have MDG and SDG. Then we have different conventions and protocols. Then we have ecosystems. Then we have Paris Agreement. Then we have acid rain. Then when it comes to ICT, we have operating system, CD-ROM, human memory, and then the following firewall. Then coming to mathematical reasoning, we have fractions, compound interest, number series, coding and decoding, speed and time. Then coming to logical reasoning, we have logical equivalency based question, then fallacies based question, categorical proposition based question, Indian logic related question. Then we have square of a person related question. Then when it comes to communication, we have question related to communication channels, then elements of communication, barriers of communication, different models of communication, movie related questions further. Then teaching aptitude, we have Bloom's taxonomy, evaluation system, learning theories, learning process. Then we have research ethic, historical research, coefficient, MLA style, etc. So these are the important questions that has been asked today. So make sure you go through all these, and also you are doing a last moment revision since we have important exams tomorrow like history. Okay, I will not be taking much time. Okay, so all the best. Okay, to make sure you receive more such videos, subscribe to Aifer Education YouTube channel.